In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your high beam bulb on your Chevy Sonic. It's located on the front of the car, the interior one. Right here is where the high beam is going to be, behind this cover. You're going to turn this to the left and pop it off. And inside you're going to see the high beam bulb. Now we're going to turn this to the left and pull it out. And there's your bulb. Let's remove it from the connector. To do that, you're going to pull up on here and pull it out. Now we're going to install. Make sure you're wearing gloves when you're handling bulbs. The oils can damage the glass. Plug it in, insert it in, and just to make a mental note, you want to make sure that you're seeing these. And these two are bigger than this one, so make sure you fit it in the hole correctly. So put it in the hole. Line it up. Once it's lined up, we're going to spin it down like that. Now we can put our cover on. You're going to line it up with the slots, push it in, and then tighten it down just by turning it to the right. Now you can test your lights and make sure they work. The process is the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.